Team, every command is critical.
Increase the extraction rate by 5%. Maintain the rhythm.
Here goes. Deep within the mining operation, the staging yard is a hive of activity. Synchronized inspections ensure the... At a depth of 1,000 meters, the team relies on this heavy-duty...
The journey down. We are descending into the down. At a depth of 1,000 meters, the day shift arrives. Here, organization is paramount as the teams disperse to their designated sectors. This is the heart of the mine's ventilation. Without these colossal fans, the buildup of dust and gas would make survival impossible. At a depth of 1,000 meters, the primary conveyor belt initializes, its powerful motors engaging to smoothly transport the coal along the main artery of the mine.
1,000 meters below the surface, precision is everything. The massive stabilization clamps engage now.
At this depth, the rock face scanning system utilizes precise laser beams to map the coal seams in real time.
Deep within the earth, 1,000 meters down, the drill begins its work. This initial penetration is critical.
Deep within the earth, the continuous cutting machine advances, its powerful drums shearing the coal in a steady, unstoppable flow.
This is the heart of the operation. The main collection conveyor, located a kilometer beneath the surface, continuously transporting the extracted coal.
13, the hydraulic supports begin their expansion sequence, pushing against the tunnel ceiling to ensure the stability of the entire structure deep within the mine.
The high-pressure water jets create a fine mist, effectively reducing airborne particulates in the cutting zone.
Deep beneath the surface, at a depth of 1,000 meters, these synchronized multi-drills extract coal with unparalleled precision.
Deep underground, the tunnel expansion project relies on powerful machinery to carve through the rock, ensuring progress at a depth of 1,000 meters.
Deep within the earth, at 1,000 meters, the crushing station begins its work, transforming raw coal into manageable fragments for transport.
Deep underground, the processed coal begins its long journey to the surface. This conveyor system operates...
Here at the 1,000-meter level, the automated loading station fills the massive skips, beginning the long journey to the surface.
The coal lift, capable of hauling tons of material at incredible speeds, is the lifeline of the entire operation deep within the earth.
The massive skips.
Deep within the earth, 1,000 meters down, the raw power of the mine is unleashed.
Deep within the earth, the primary crusher begins its work, reducing massive chunks of coal into manageable fragments. Deep within the earth, these massive drums continuously pulverize the raw coal, ensuring consistency for the next stage of refining.
Deep within the earth, the screening station efficiently processes the extracted coal, with vibrating mesh sorting the material.
This high-detail filtration zone is critical. As you can see, the powerful suction ducts pull the dangerous coal dust. As the raw coal enters the tanks, powerful currents begin the separation process. The dense rock sinks.
As the raw material enters the cyclone, the dense medium separates the product. The heavier refuse sinks to the bottom. Here at 1,000 meters, the purified coal exits the final washing stage, moving rapidly along the conveyor as the last of the water is removed.
This continuous motion is essential. The vibrating screens separate the water from the coal.
At 1,000 meters below the surface, this drying tunnel utilizes heated airflow to efficiently evaporate the remaining moisture.
Deep within the earth, 1,000 meters down, the final size grading line ensures every piece of coal is precisely categorized before reaching the surface.
The laser scanning system provides real-time analysis.
Look at the sulfur content on this one, we need to log it.
Confirmed, adjusting the metrics now.
1,000 meters beneath the surface, this state-of-the-art facility utilizes automated analyzers to ensure the highest quality control for the coal extraction process.
Deep within the earth, 1,000 meters down, this synchronized system ensures the graded coal merges efficiently onto the main transport line.
At a depth of 1,000 meters, these silos represent the pinnacle of bulk storage, continuously filled by an...
Deep within the mine, the automated silo system constantly adjusts the flow rates to optimize extraction.
Confirmed. System is stable.
The automated loader conveyor system manages the precise discharge of coal from the silos onto the belts, deep inside the mine.
This automated filling system operates 1,000 meters below the surface, loading the precious coal into the waiting rail cars.
Deep within the earth, the final journey begins. This conveyor system, stretching for kilometers.
The journey ends here at the export terminal, where the product of the deep mine is loaded onto massive carriers for shipment. Deep within the earth, the conveyor arms work tirelessly, moving thousands of tons of coal every hour to waiting ships.
Deep within the earth, this colossal vessel takes on its heavy burden. The automated systems ensure
1,000 meters below the surface, these automated systems ensure the continuous flow of coal, distributing the load with remarkable precision.
Emerging from the staggering depth of the 1,000-meter mine, this vessel carries the raw energy that powers the world.
Deep within this man-made canyon, the massive bulk carriers are bringing their...
Operating 1,000 meters below the surface, the port crane unloading system represents the pinnacle of subterranean engineering.
At 1,000 meters below the surface, this transfer facility is the heart of the operation. The seamless flow of coal is critical to maintaining output.
This open stockpile formation holds millions of tons of coal, continuously moved by these colossal stacking conveyors, 24 hours a day.
Deep within the earth, the reclaimer machine works tirelessly, moving thousands of tons of coal every hour onto the conveyors. Deep beneath the surface, the uninterrupted flow of coal begins its long journey to the power plant.
1,000 meters deep, this intake facility is the heart of the operation. The continuous flow of raw coal is fed directly.
Deep within the earth, the pulverizer system grinds raw coal into the fine powder necessary for energy production.
Here, 1,000 meters down, the raw coal is transformed. The mixing chamber blends the pulverized fuel.
1,000 meters beneath the surface, the power core ignites. This is the heart of the operation, where coal transforms into the energy that drives the facility.
Deep within the earth, 1,000 meters down, this boiler system converts water into the superheated steam essential for our operations.
Located 1,000 meters below the surface, this generation unit converts high-pressure steam into vital energy.
Operating smoothly around the clock, this facility produces a constant stream of energy, sending thousands of megawatts up to the grid. 1,000 meters beneath the surface, this is the heart of the grid. From here, the energy flows outward, powering the world above.
Quarters. Buried 1,000 meters beneath the surface, this facility harnesses the Earth's own geothermal energy, powering an...
Deep within the Earth, this marvel of engineering harnesses the planet's raw energy to sustain a bustling urban landscape.
1,000 meters below the surface, this unique residence is powered entirely by the resource surrounding it, coal.
This continuous process, 1,000 meters underground, represents the heart of modern industry, fueled entirely by the surrounding coal.
This continuous rotation ensures the raw materials are superheated, transforming them into clinker, the foundation of all modern cement production.
From the depths of the earth, the raw power of coal drives the global, forging the steel and sparking the tech.
Inside this ancient coal seam, the future of energy is visualized. An interconnected grid flowing world deep within the earth. This conveyor system symbolizes the continuous cycle of production that powers our world.
1,000 meters deep, the extraction process is continuous.
Keep that belt clear, we've got a heavy load coming through.
Contrast pit. The surface and the subterranean world could not be starker.
1,000 meters down, the flow is endless. This uninterrupted stream symbolizes the relentless...
Deep within the earth, the massive shearer operates in a precise, synchronized rhythm, extracting vital resources.
Deep within the earth, man and machine must operate in perfect synchronization. This choreographed
at over 1,000 meters deep, this tunnel represents the extreme lengths of modern mining operations. The scale here is immense. Deep within the earth, the beams of our lamps illuminate the very air we breathe, a constant reminder of the cost of progress.
This is the surface stockpile of the 1,000-meter deep mine. where massive conveyors work tirelessly to move the millions of tons of coal extracted daily.
The synchronized movement of coal is a marvel of modern logistics. From the deepest mines, it travels by train, ship,
and deep within the earth, 1,000 meters down, this facility harnesses the raw power of coal.
1,000 meters down, the work is hard, but it keeps the lights on in the city above.
Deep within the Earth, a new global grid is emerging. This industrial network,
1,000 meters below the surface, the struggle for coal is measured in sweat, dust, and sheer endurance.
1,000 meters below the surface, the work is intimate and isolating. Every piece of this coal deep within the earth, massive machines tear through the coal seam, highlighting the dramatic scale contrast between man and machine. After 1,000 meters in the earth, the light at the end of the tunnel is more than just an exit. It's the promise of the surface.
1,000 meters below, time ceases to exist. But here, bathed in the surface air and golden light,
Mined from the Earth's depths, this is the raw power that fueled the Industrial Revolution and continues to drive our world forward. This symbolic transformation reveals the heart of the energy challenge, harnessing the power of the Earth while transitioning to a sustainable future. 1,000 meters down, the work begins. Coal moves by conveyor, then by rail, linking the mine to the massive Buried 1,000 meters deep, we witness the lifeblood of global industry. Deep within the earth, 1,000 meters down, this macro view reveals the crystalline secrets of the coal seam. Here, 1,000 meters below the surface, the work continues relentlessly as the conveyor fades into the deep black.
At this depth, the mine demands respect. The lights fading behind us are a stark reminder of our isolation.
From this vantage point, the scale is immense. But the true depth of this operation lies far beneath the surface.
1,000 meters deep, we uncover the resources that power civilization. Yet, this is but a fraction of the story.
1,000 meters beneath the surface, we observe the planet's gentle rotation, a stark contrast between the
From the depths of the earth, the lifeblood of our civilization flows. 1,000 meters below the surface, the industrial pulse maintains the rhythm of extraction. 1,000 meters beneath the surface, we witness the stillness of origin. The Earth's silent, pressurized embrace. Mined from a depth of 1,000 meters, this pristine piece of coal is a testament to the raw power extracted from the Earth.
A kilometer beneath the surface, the immense pressure has transformed the prehistoric vegetation into this rich, textured seam of coal.
At these depths, the immense pressure triggers a reaction, converting solid carbon directly into pure, usable energy.
1,000 meters down, the work never stops. Massive drills carve the coal, loading it onto high-speed day and night. The massive conveyor transports the lifeblood of industry, a never-ending flow of high-grade coal.
Deep within the earth, the very texture of the coal tells a story millions of years in the making. A story of intense pressure and time.
1,000 meters below the surface, the work continues in near darkness.
The flickering isn't just a technical failure. It's a stark reminder of the fragile hold we have against the crushing darkness of the earth. Far beneath the surface, where sunlight cannot reach, the stillness of the coal mine is absolute.
1,000 meters below the surface, the darkness is absolute. Here, the struggle for coal is a constant battle against the earth itself.
Final pullback into the void. At this depth, the mine consumes all light, leaving only the profound silence of the earth. We descended into the earth, seeking the black gold. But what we